So today I'm going to continue with my solar powered greenhouse fan installation. I'm just showing you the outside. I already had these louvers from a old greenhouse that has been removed, and you can see down the bottom left hand corner I have this propped open at the moment with a stick just to provide some ventilation within the greenhouse. Now we'll go inside and take a look at the fan installed. So this is a 10-inch fan, and I just simply mounted it to the louvers that I already had installed. I also had to reverse the wiring on this so that the fan would suck out the air. These fans come factory default pushing air, and I wanted it to pull air out of the greenhouse or suck it out. So I had to reverse the direction of the blades. It was very simple. Just take a nut off, flip over the blades, and then put it back together. So here we are, and now I'm ready to start wiring this. First thing I'm going to do is install a thermostat. So here are my supplies I'm going to use. I ordered the red and black cables from Amazon. They have solar connectors with just a wire end, and then I had this old thermostat here, so I'm just going to use that. Moretz wire strippers and a knife, and we're ready to go. So I'll get this all wired up and then we'll continue the installation. One nice thing about these cables, if you see, they came with the wire end already stripped, so I don't have to deal with that. And they also came with this packet of connectors. There's various things in there. There's flat spade, there's well, I don't really know the names, solar connectors and other ones here. So anyways, a variety of connectors which will make connecting to anything a lot easier. So here is the thermostat mounted in the greenhouse. I didn't really have a great place, so I just put it on this bracket here. You can see I break the hot wire. That's it going in. That's it going out. You might recall when I originally did the video, the test one, the blue was the hot in the fan. But you have to reverse polarity if you want to reverse direction. And since I want this fan to be pulling air out, I had to switch up the blades like I mentioned before, and that's why I reversed the wiring for it too. So anyways, there it is. I fastened some of those leads that came on with the solar kit. I got to heat shrink these wires yet. But here is, see, let's turn it on. I'm going to turn up the thermostat. And there she goes. It's putting out a good amount of air, and I think it's going to be quite functional.